Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make these adorable chocolate bear charms using resin. This project is very easy and great for beginners. Alright, so to make the bears, or the chocolate bears, I'm going to be using this mold again, and this is the same mold that I used to make my color swatches, and I'll put the link to where you can get one in the description box. Alright, so here I have some mixed resin. Now I'm going to color it with some resin pigments. I'll be using Cast and Craft brown pigment in combination with the Sophie and Toffee's brown transparent pigment dye. And the reason why is because the Cast and Craft brown pigment is not dark enough, in my opinion, to make it look like chocolate. So I'm going to use a combination of both. Alright, so the resin has cured completely. Now I'm going to remove them from the mold. So my mold, the top row is shiny and the bottom row is matte. So this bear has a matte finish to it. Alright, so what I want to do with these bears is I want to give them a nice matte finish on the back, like this piece here. It's nice and smooth. And in order to do that, you will need a super fine wet and dry sanding sponge like this one. This one's by 3M. And I'm not going to do it here on camera because if I do it's going to move the whole table and the camera. So what I do is I put some water on the surface here and take my piece and sand the back of it until it's nice and smooth and matte. Then I will wash it and then dry it. Once it's dry, I'll take like a polishing cloth or any kind of fabric, t-shirt, jeans, whatever you have, and you just buff the back of the piece until you have a nice smooth matte finish like this one. So it's very easy. Okay, so now that I finished the backs of the bears, I'm going to turn them into charms. And the first thing I'm going to do is drill a hole on the top of the head so I can insert the eye screws. So I'm going to be using a manual drill for this. So this is what the eye screw looks like, and it's just a little screw with a loop. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the eye screw. And then we're going to screw it in the bear. And just like that. So I'm going to be using this tiny satin bow. So basically I'm trying to put a loop or the ring in the middle part of the bow, like that. So I'm going to do down one here and then another one up here, okay? I'm sorry, I had to do this off camera because it's just way too hard to do it, but now we're going to attach the bear onto the bow with another jump ring. I have one tiny one here. We're going to add more findings. I'm going to be using this tiny lobster clasp, and let's attach it with another jump ring. Should look something like this. Okay, so here are all the bears completed and lined up, different versions of them. They're very simple to make, great for beginners. Yeah, if you guys liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. And let me know in the comments which one you like. Do you prefer the shiny chocolate bears or the matte chocolate bears? I personally like the shiny ones, and I like the gold and the red combination. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!